workshops we have attended and yesterday in London were great. Content was quite comprehensive with everything Zoho proposes today as customer experience tools. The delivery was great as well. It was really entertaining and useful at the same time.
The sessions that have been going on here today at the CRM Plus Customer Experience Workshop have been really useful, really insightful. A mix of sharing technical knowledge about the product and the solution, as well as giving us the hands-on experience to practice and use some of the new functions that are being launched within the CRM solution.
Enjoyed the 2 days. It was very delightful. Very well organized, very professional. I really enjoyed it.
Kind of got the ideas of what we could do to make sure that all of our data is streamlined so we can best market to our customers and our prospects as well.
At the workshop today and yesterday I learned a lot. It improved how I thought was the best way of a few things to do. They showed me how to do it better.
I would say I found it really useful. It's been interesting to learn more about the CRM Plus, which isn't a product that we currently have. I think the one-to-one time that you get is invaluable to.
Speaking to customers this afternoon, they've and yesterday, they've really enjoyed it. They found it very useful. They've been able to build the bits during the workshop. So we've been able to say, create an account, do this. And then they've been able to try it, and when they've got stuck doing their blueprint or trying to do something, they've got all of the technical people on hand just to help them understand where they're going wrong and what they need to do, what they haven't quite, because sometimes you can sit and look at it and you can't see the error.
Take the time to come to the workshops. Every single time we've come away with either a number of aspects we can put into our business or things we can develop for the future.